Well, you're going to jail.
I have a 4-year-old son. What are you guys doing? No, I can't. I've never been to jail.
On October 2nd, 2025, in Florida, a road rage incident on Route 76 produced 2 crashes, 2 failures to stop, and a criminal arrest. The outcome is confirmed, on camera. 6 months probation, a 4-hour driving course, and $397 in restitution, with no jail time.
378 Adam, Robert, item.
Yes, maybe you can do a little U-turn. Are your lights on? Fine? Mm-hmm. So.
Thank you.
Alright, that's fine.
One more tag, be a third tag.
We'll just slowly get up into that median behind this car. Because southbound, we're driving north right now, right? Southbound is that way. So I don't know, you know, we need to clarify what direction the vehicle is going. Best traffic best. Is it in the door? Just wear that one for now. We'll be right with you. We'll be right there.
Oh, what? Is it in your car?
No, it could be. Here, wear that one.
Okay. Hello.
Hi, good morning.
You doing okay?
I'm okay. My shoulders, it's fine. I'll survive.
Do you need EMS?
No.
Sure.
Good morning. I'm fine. It's just, I feel like when the seatbelt pulled, you know, it just, my airbag didn't deploy. Everything's fine. My car's,
Call you, miss.
I think I made off a lot better than what she did because her car's all right here.
Okay, so do you have a...
I have photos, I have video, okay? So, I want to say it started back by, like, McDonald's. Right before McDonald's, okay? I'm doing 5560. It's Thursday, it's a busy morning, okay? She's just riding my... And I'm keeping a safe distance. Accidents happen, clearly, okay? So, as we pull up to the light at Gasparilla, she was still behind me, and she's like screaming at me, like, get over. Actually, I'm sorry, she was telling me to pull over, like, towards Super Day. She's like, pull over. I said, ma'am, you're gonna cause an accident. I'm going as fast as I can. There's nowhere I can go. What do you want me to do? So at that point, I took my camera out and I took a picture of her because I feel like now I'm like in a situation that I don't want to be in. So here's a picture of her.
Do you get a picture of the tag maybe? Possibly?
Yes, I did. I have a picture of the whole video coming down 776.
Do you mind if I see it real quick?
Yes. So
what is the tag?
I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on here. See, so this is me because I'm already feeling threatened. Like, I need to start recording this. So we're coming down 776.
Do you mind if I hold it real quick?
Yeah, do whatever you need.
This is the car in front, right?
Yes. No, she was behind me.
She's behind you?
She was behind me, harassing me.
What about the other?
So here, I'm gonna, because when I tried to get my phone out as fast as she could.
That's the car right there.
We'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
Which one?
No, it already it's going down Elgin. Yeah, it's down there. So let's make people get out of the way. That's it. Make a left on Cornelius. Just take it real slow. Here, I'll get Central 239. Vehicle just turned on at Cornelius from Elgin. Turning at Cornelius.
Made a
Check
right.
these side roads.
Cornelius and Van Dyke.
Central, we're going to be behind the vehicle behind Van Dyke and Cornelius. It's going to be stopped on Van Dyke.
Stay in the vehicle! Stay in the vehicle! Stay in the vehicle!
Yeah, we'll be right there.
10-4 Central.
There was no injury at the crash. We'll be back there in a couple.
Drive it, put your hands where I can see him! I got it.
I'm with 239.
I don't.
Is there anybody else in the vehicle?
No.
No? Is it just you?
No, this is my son's balloon. It's my son's balloon. Why are you guys freaking
Can you step out of the vehicle for me?
Yeah.
Do you have any guns on you? Any weapons? No?
No, nothing. No. No, my son is not. He's at school.
Well, you're in a... What's been going on today?
Well, this lady freaking, like, was driving crazy, and she was, like, she, like, rear-ended the crap out of me, and
She rear-ended you?
she brake-checked me, and I rear-ended her.
Do you have an ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
Where is it? Do you mind if I grab it for you?
Sure, it's
Where is
in
it?
my purse.
It's in the purse?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the other side.
But, so you were in an accident?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I didn't think it was bad or anything, and then, like, I saw her, like, it looked like she was, and then, I don't know, I just got really nervous, and then, like, it's not my fault. She brake-checked me.
Okay, did you see your car?
Yeah. It was, like, a blue SUV.
Okay.
Did she leave? Because it
No,
looked like
she's-
she was leaving.
No, she stayed.
Okay.
And I guess you hit a semi-truck too. Do you remember hitting the truck?
Like, when I pulled out, yeah, a little bit. It, like, hit me, and then
Okay.
I was trying to, like, leave. Like, I just wanted to see if my car was okay, and I wanted to get away from her because she was acting crazy, and I didn't know what she was going to do. Like, I was in fear for my life if I got out around her.
Okay.
Because she was, like, throwing signals up at me, like, rolling the window down, like, freaking out, doing the whole thing.
Okay.
And it was, like, you know,
Okay.
I just didn't feel, like, safe getting out and being there with her at that moment. And then I just really wanted to check on my car.
So why didn't you stop and call us?
I just wanted to check on my car. Like, I didn't know what had even happened, and obviously I knew I would be in trouble because, you know, I'm not supposed to do that. But, like, I was just really scared. I'm sorry. I've never
Tell me
been
about
in,
the
like,
semi though.
I didn't even, okay, so, like, the semi just, like, kind of bumped into me a little bit. Like, I didn't hit into the semi.
The worst thing you can do when you crash is leave the scene of an accident.
No.
And never ever leave the scene of the accident.
I'm sorry.
Was there anybody?
Poor excuse.
Insurance for this car.
And you told the security guard at Riverwood that you hit an animal. So you already lied to that person. Now you're lying to us.
I'm not lying to you.
Yeah, you are.
About what did I lie about to you?
Saying you're feeling unsafe and this, that, and the other.
Yeah,
The law,
because
the
she
law,
was screaming at me.
the
with
law,
her
the
window
law, the law
down.
is what? Well, the semi guy isn't lying. So why didn't you stop for that?
Well, this.
So,
Okay,
so
I
let's
messed up. I'm sorry. I
yeah,
should've
yeah, I'm
stopped.
sorry. Well, you're going to jail.
Huh?
Let me
What?
see your phone.
What?
You're
I
going
have
to
a
jail.
kid. I have a child. Wait. I have a son. I have a 4-year-old son. What are you guys doing? No, I can't. I've never been to jail. I've never. What?
All they're going to phone.
What? Are you serious right now? Is this really happening? Like, this is serious?
2 hit and runs.
He
2 hit and runs. 2.
hit into me.
2. No, 2.
So is she getting anything? Because she brake checked me. Is she in trouble?
So
She was driving erratically. Is she in trouble?
Oh, 2 people driving erratically that you hit.
No, the
You
one
said
lady
the semi.
caused
You already
this.
lied. You already lied.
Well,
And you fled.
What did
and
I
you,
lie
and
about
you,
the
and
semi
you,
I
li-
chopped
and you,
with?
li- and you lied. And you lied to who?
Go
You
ahead
lied
and
to
tell
who?
them this, French.
The gate guard. You said you hit an animal. Where's the fur? Where's the
I said I
blood?
hit an animal previously because I had hit an animal previously, but not. And then I said it got worse because
You were staying out here in a secluded area. No.
Yeah. Who's the insurance company for your car?
State Farm. It's my mom's car. It's not even my car.
Okay. So we're gonna have you take a seat in the back of our patrol car.
I'm serious.
You have anything on you?
Is there any way we can like what can
Should
I
have
do?
made better decision when you hit the first car.
Yes, sir.
She's already started to lie too many times.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Um,
We need someone to go back to that accident.
yeah.
But we saw the car, so we're like, fuck, we're not gonna let it get away.
No, I agree with you.
Yeah.
No, I agree with you. That's why I'm like, I started meandering that way, and I'm like, I'm gonna start going 10-18 to try to catch it.
Yeah.
Can you
Are
explain?
you available
me
to come to my stop?
I'm just really confused right now. I really need someone to just be like level-headed with me and just explain,
Simple.
please. You can run all the tests you want me.
Do you
I'm
have-
sober.
do
I
you have
don't have
anything-
anything in me. I'm not on anything. Please.
Do you have anything on you? Do you have any firearms, any
No, I
knife,
don't
anything
have
that?
anything. Nothing. No.
No? Okay.
Nothing at all.
So listen, this is what I'm gonna explain to you. The first time when you hit a vehicle that you leave the scene of a crash, that's pretty bad. Then you hit another one.
But she hit into. I'm sorry.
She's coming. I already called her. Wait, what?
I'm going to jail.
Yes.
Yeah, you are.
They're hitting wrong.
What does that
So you-
entail? Like, what is?
We'll be there with you all the way up
Well-
when you get to jail. If you have to talk to a judge.
Hey, she can. 35 for transport,
Yep.
and then you guys should finish the hit and run.
All right.
Did you want to wait here with this car while we go back there and finish?
Yeah,
That
just
over
do
there?
the tough
Is
one
she?
for me.
Is the lady
Okay.
who did this in any trouble? Because she literally brake checked me.
Listen,
She was
right
driving
now, I don't believe
erratically.
you.
How do you not believe it? Is there traffic cameras? Go check the traffic cameras.
Listen, I don't believe you. You already lied. You lied to the gate guard. You lied to me, and 2 different people.
Why? Let me ask you a
People
question.
caused the
Why?
accident.
Why do you see me with?
And you turned down here to hide from them.
I didn't even see them. I came down here to try to check out
They
my
had
car.
the lights and sirens
License
on.
sirens on.
I-
Here, let's go behind
I
this
have a
car.
lot going on. I'm not looking around to see if there's. I cannot believe this is seriously happening. That lady should
It is
be in
happening.
trouble. I'm
I
not
mean, like I
joking.
said, you should have never left the scene
No,
of a
but
crash.
that lady should be in trouble too because that's not.
So we're gonna put her in your car. You're gonna just transport her.
Can I Can I call somebody? Like what?
Yeah, we'll take care of that.
Your purse. Do you want that to go with you?
I kind of need it. Yeah.
Okay.
What is? But where's it gonna?
So, well, it's gonna go with you to jail.
Okay.
Yep.
And I get to like keep it on me and everything. Or
Well, they're
they
gonna-
take it.
They're gonna keep it in your property, and then when you get released, it'll be given back to you. So I'll grab that for you. She's gonna search you, okay? I'm just gonna grab that. I'll be right back. Her purse.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna go in with a tow for her.
That's much better. Thank you. And then will you fix the strap? The little like, piece right here. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, I cannot believe this is serious.
No, they have to stay on.
I didn't do anything like dangerous. Why do I have to?
That thing comes back out of Connecticut is showing on a red Chevy Silverado 2014. Runs through 201. The left lane Serrano. The expiration is 8/20/2027. It is negative on the risk of balance.
Yeah. I mean, it could be medical, who knows? But whatever's in the vehicle yet.
Can't reach any of that.
Oh. Come on. No.
She's got to go down there anyway. Get her flashlight. So
I think she said 205. I think.
Where is she? She's here?
Hey, get her phone number and current address for crash report.
Who's the owner of the vehicle?
Jennifer Williams.
Is your mom? Here, I'm gonna grab your phone. That way we can get you.
I got it here. Since you can't use your hands, what's the
112.
and what's mom's name in your phone?
Mama.
Oh, okay. Mom. You said mom?
M-A, Mama.
Oh, mama. Okay. All right. I got 941. At the jail, they'll let you write any phone numbers out of your phone. Okay, so you'll be able to do that here in a couple minutes. What we're gonna do is we want to ask you a little bit more about what happened, but we just have to read you your rights. Do you have your card with you?
Okay.
9 Robert Henry.
Good deal.
Alright, so Kaylee, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for asking a question. As well as a person, you question. If you get out for a lawyer, when we are going to you, you can answer any question if you wish. If you decide to answer any question without a lawyer present, you also have the right to sub-answer at any time. You also have the right to it. You also have the right to sub-answer at any time until you talk to a lawyer. After having this rights read to you, do you want to talk to me about what happened today?
I just need some air. It's really hot.
Hey, Haley, can you turn your car on?
Or the AC?
Yeah, AC.
Oh, I mean, it's on.
Is it?
Oh, the window's not open. We'll get you air.
Do you smoke I'm sorry. Do you smoke cigarettes? No. Alright, so do you want to talk to me today? You don't?
Not really, no, because I don't know what's even happening. Like, I don't know what to do, so I don't know.
I mean, like we talked to you, and I'm sure you know, you hit a car, and then you hit a semi-truck also, and you left both of the scene. So why do you leave? That's what we're trying to know.
Because I was scared. Like, I've never been in an accident. I've never been in trouble. I've never been in anything.
All right, let me ask you
ever.
this.
Like,
Let me ask you this. What made you think that you lived in the scene of a scene that you allegedly are saying that somebody hit you would have been a great idea?
Listen, once I left, I knew that it was a bad idea. I was like, I should not have done that.
Why do
But
you?
it had already happened, and then it's like once I left, you know.
Why do you make a left turn in here when you saw the license sirens on and you saw him because we saw you?
I swear to God, I did not see them because I was so worried about how my car was driving.
Why do you come in here then?
Because I was just trying to like get away from everyone. I pulled into that, and then there was people, and I was like, I just don't want to deal with people right now. So I just came into like a more secluded area to just like that just happened. Like, I feel like I'm in shock. I don't know. Like, I've never been in an accident. I've never been like anything. So it all happened so quick. I honestly
I
don't know.
completely, I do get it. I do, but leaving the scene of a crash is never a good idea. Never at all. Because as of right now, what do you think that's making me think? That you're the one at fault, right? That you were the one who hit the other car.
Well, I did hit the first car, but it was her fault for brake checking me like that.
So why do you leave?
Oh, I was scared. That's all I can say is I was scared.
Where did that happen?
I don't know.
The first vehicle that you hit, like where did that happen?
I don't know what road it was.
You
It
don't
was
know?
just right off 776.
It was It was like past the bridge, like this way, or before the bridge?
I think it was
Before?
No, it all happened so quick. Like that, I'm just like, I don't know.
How do you hit that car?
Cause she brake checked me. Like, okay, so it started off like I was just driving normal. I was just trying to go around her, and then she started like screaming, freaking out. So then I just got behind her, was like, okay, whatever, and I just rode behind her, and then she's like screaming at me through the window, like yelling at me, and like all this. And so then I was like, okay, and then she like went that way. So then I went that way because I was like, what? Like,
what do you mean she went that way?
Like she went, and then I like she was turning, but I was turning there too. So I had to go that way too.
Oh, she was making a right turn into...
She was making a left turn, but I had to make a left turn as well. And so I was just going. Like, I was behind her that whole time. Like, we had gotten into it, and then she was still yelling at me through the window. I was still behind her. And then I guess we ended up both needing to go the same, like, way. So then she went, and then I went, and then when she went to go, she, like, slammed on her brakes and brake checked me again. Like, she had already done that down there.
She did it twice?
Yes, like once on the main road, and then once when we were like about to turn, but then when we were about to turn, she like slammed hard.
Okay.
And she even looked out the window and laughed.
Let me ask you this. Let me ask you a question. How fast were you going when you hit her?
I don't know, like, however fast she was going because I was behind her.
If you have to estimate in speed, like
maybe 50, 60, because that's how much it was on the road.
What about the second car, the second trailer?
That was just because I wasn't looking. Like, I was so stupid.
Where did that happen?
I don't.
You don't know, but it wasn't.
It was
776?
literally right there. Yeah, like it was like the crash happened right there.
And you were
to go back on the road because I was just like, what? Like I wanted to check my car, and so I went to like go out because I didn't want to be in the middle, you know.
So when you hit that trailer, when you hit the second trailer. Did you hit the trailer on 776 or
yes,
was it 7? How fast were you going?
Probably not fast at all, maybe 30.
Maybe 30?
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't stop, right? Okay.
No, I should have, but I stopped right down the road right there. I just didn't want to be on the main road. Like I literally stopped on the first. That's why I was in that rocky community.
All right, so another question. So the deputies are inventorying the car because it's going to be towed. So they said that they found a part of the car, like where your wheel is, the part that goes around the wheel. That piece is in the back trunk. Do you know how?
That guy helped me at the gated community.
Okay, so was it like hanging off? Like hanging from the car, and then you just like ripped it off and put it in the back?
He did, yeah.
Okay. What guy at the gated community?
Good security.
Okay. He ripped it off for you and then put it in the trunk? Okay.
Why? Is that okay?
They were just wondering why it was back there.
And which community was that?
I honestly, I don't know. Riverwood or something?
Riverwood?
Yeah, I think. I don't know that area well.
Okay, so, like I said, the moment that you try to like come over here and try to hide from us.
I was literally just trying to like.
Well, that's not what it
looks like. My car wasn't going to be making it anywhere.
That's not what it looks like for us.
I know. I'm sorry. Like I really, honest to God, did not.
Have you ever called 911 before?
No.
You never called 911. No. I get it that you were scared, but leaving the scene of a crisis is never a good idea. Like I said before, it doesn't look good at all. And then we have this lady complaining of injuries. I get it that you were trying to make a turn, or she was trying to make a turn, but the moment that
she brake checked me and made me slam into her.
I get it. But the moment that you engage on a, I don't know, visual conversation with her or anything else, that's when road rage starts. So that's where we're at right now.
She started it with me, though. It's literally what happened. Like, I even.
Alright, so I'm gonna call it, like you said, the other deputy said, we're gonna inventory your vehicle. It's gonna get towed. I'm gonna call your mom and let her know what's going on. That way she's aware. When you get up to the jail, they're gonna allow you to get a couple phone numbers out of your phone. That way you can make calls if you wish over there. Do you have any questions for me?
So, what's gonna happen?
Well, you going to jail?
Like, can I go home tonight?
I'm not sure, to be honest. I wouldn't think so. or I don't know how quick they can get you in.
I can talk to her about it.
Yeah, all right. I'm gonna do the inventory.
We'll talk on the way back.
Thanks, Harley.
What's her name and how old is she?
I'll send you a picture. Is that okay? She's
And Kaylee?
Kaylee. She should be in the call.
Perfect. I'm gonna just drive down that way, make sure you guys are good.
All right. So about the park, she said that some security guy at somewhere in Riverwood helped her, like, detaching her from her vehicle and put her on the back.
So you gotta get a stable from it.
Was that when, so the Riverwood guy helped her tear that
Helped her.
off? And
Yeah,
is that
that was
when
the-
she was like, oh, I hit an animal?
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah. Yeah. You said do an interview with her?
Or with him.
With him?
After you do the
She
crime.
doesn't know who the
Get
guy
out,
is.
you will. You will find out.
Yeah, we just go there and find out. Ask them who talked to this lady.
All right. Do you need help? Or can I
Yeah.
go do the...
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, go ahead and do the tow. I'll work on inventorying it. I want to say maybe her mom works at Chase. Keep finding a bunch of money envelopes with no money on them.
Should I call mom and let her know what's going on?
Yeah, after you do the tow. Do
Okay.
the tow first. The tow will be here quicker.
The charge is Florida Statute 316.061. Any driver involved in a crash causing damage must immediately stop, remain at the scene, and exchange information. The duty attaches at the moment of collision. There is no fear exception, no fault exception, and no road rage exception. The brake check claim is legally relevant only in civil court. In a tort action, a driver who intentionally brake checked may bear substantial comparative fault. That analysis does not affect the criminal obligation under Florida Statute 316.061. The civil and criminal frameworks operate on separate tracks. 2 crashes occurred. Florida Statute 316.061 applies independently to each. 2 collisions with 2 failures to stop are 2 separate criminal violations, regardless of how close they occurred in time or how minor the second impact appeared. Florida Statute 316.192 makes reckless driving a crime when a driver operates with willful or wanton disregard for safety. The officer's statement on camera that road rage begins the moment both drivers engage is legally accurate. Continuing to follow a known aggressive driver creates independent reckless driving exposure, not just for the aggressor. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, requires rights, advisements, before custodial interrogation. Miranda was correctly administered before any substantive questioning. The subject voluntarily provided a detailed account of both crashes after Miranda was read. Every post-Miranda statement is fully admissible and directly supported every element the prosecution needed. The fender piece found during the post-arrest vehicle inventory is admissible physical evidence under South Dakota v. Opperman, 428 U.S. 364. Inventory searches of towed vehicles following a lawful arrest are constitutionally valid. The piece corroborates the severity of the collision and the subject's awareness of the damage before any police contact. The false statement to the gate guard is not a separate criminal charge, because the guard is a private employee, not a law enforcement officer. However, the inconsistency between her account to the guard and her account to police was used throughout the post-arrest interview to challenge her credibility and to establish consciousness of guilt at booking. Officers receive an A-. The vehicle stop was constitutionally grounded under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1. Miranda was correctly timed. The inventory search was properly conducted. Post-arrest processing was professional and humane. The deduction reflects the brief initial victim interview and the absence of any documented investigation into the alleged brake check. The subject receives a C. Immediate cooperation, genuine remorse, and no denial of the collision sequence are real positives. The deductions reflect 2 independent failures to stop, the false statement to the gate guard, and the decision to continue engaging when disengagement was clearly available. The lead vehicle driver receives a B-. Documenting the incident before the collision is model behavior in any road rage situation and is why police identified the subject within minutes. The deduction reflects the alleged brake check and the pre-crash exchange, which contributed to the foreseeable collision under Florida Statute 316(192). This case resolved cleanly and left behind specific legal lessons. Whether you encounter road rage as the target or the aggressor, and whether or not a crash results, the following 5 points apply the moment you find yourself in that situation on a public road. First, the duty to stop under Florida Statute 316.061 applies the moment a crash causes damage, regardless of who caused it, how scared you were, or where you were on the road. Leaving the scene is a first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year in jail, with no exceptions for fault or fear. Second, the brake check defense does not cross from civil to criminal court. It can reduce your comparative fault in a tort action. It will not protect you from a hit-and-run charge. The duty to stop under Florida Statute 316.061 is unconditional once a collision occurs. Third, each crash in a multi-collision sequence triggers its own independent stop obligation under Florida Statute 316.061. 2 crashes with 2 failures to stop are 2 charges. There is no severity threshold and no aggregate treatment. Fourth, road rage engagement creates your own reckless driving exposure under Florida Statute 316.192, independent of what the aggressor does. Continuing to follow a driver you know is driving erratically contributes to foreseeable harm. Disengagement is always the legally correct choice. Fifth, post-Miranda statements are fully admissible and are frequently the most damaging evidence in a prosecution. When an officer reads your rights under Miranda v. Arizona, the legally correct response is to invoke them immediately and say nothing without an attorney. The subject's voluntary account of both crashes after Miranda directly satisfied every element the prosecution required. If this breakdown helped clarify what the law requires the moment a crash occurs on a public road, subscribe to our channel for more legal analysis of police body camera footage. We cover the constitutional framework, the statutes, and the decisions that determine outcomes. Leave your questions in the comments, and we will see you next time.